Mabuhay Philippines! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. At ito na nga ang pinag-uusapang representative ng Lucena City sa Binibining Pilipinas 2024 na si Graciel Vistura sa darating na July 7, 2024. Nakaka-proud na may isang binibini ang aming lungsod ng Lucena na magre-represent sa national pageant. At alam din naman natin na si Graciel Vistura pagdating sa karanasan sa pageantry ay kilalang kilala na dahil ni-represent lang naman niya ang ating bansa noong nakaraang Supermodel International 2022. At syempre, may karanasan na siya. Ang bigat-bigat ng karanasan niya kaya hindi talaga maikaila na maiuwi niya ang corona sa Binibining Pilipinas 2024. At hindi daw nagtatagal ang kanyang karanasan sa pageantry sapagkat nag-join din siya sa MUPH 2023 at doon mabigat na nakalaban niya si Michelle Marquez D. Pilipinas. At syempre, kitang-kita rin naman ang kagandahan ng ating unyo. At Quezon Province lang naman ang nire-representa niya. Ngunit syempre may kulang pa dahil may ibang hinahanap ang mga judges kaya hindi siya pinalad na manalo. Pero kudos sa kanya dahil ni-represented niya ang Quezon Province ng bonggang-bongga. So, proud na proud din ako nang tawagin siya dun sa announcement ng Binibining Pilipinas. Nakabilang siya sa top 40 candidates. Ikasiyam siya out of 40 contestant na tinawag.
Hello, I'm Graciel.
Sino nga ba si Graciel Vistura? Ating panoorin. Let's get to know her more. When you hear the word Binibining Pilipinas, what comes to your mind? Pakinggan.
It's purposeful.
What interesting facts about you?
I love sports. I was a varsity lawn tennis player back in college, but I still play. I love ball games, and that made me want to explore more and learn about other sports. I really love sports. And then I love photography. That made me a photojournalist during college, and I love dance sports. That made me a dance troupe during high school to college days. And lastly, I started pageantry at the age 15, and I really loved it, and that made me join every contest in our province.
What's your advocacy? Tingnan natin ang advocacy.
I have 5 dogs that I really love so much, and because of the recent dog killing that happened in our country, it ignited the spark in me to be an advocate against animal cruelty. Because I wanted this topic to be put into spotlight so that our laws will be improved when it comes to animal welfare measures. Because I believe that animals deserve to be treated well, even if they cannot talk. They are our companion, and they deserve to have human rights also. They deserve to be loved and cared for by us.
So, nitong nagkaroon ng average by 2024, isa sa makalat na Pilipinong mapasama bilang candidate ng next president. At hindi matatawaran ang kanyang kagandahan dahil kasama siya sa bawat activities ng Binibining Pilipinas. At nito ang May 27, ginanap ang Lagoon Ground Floor sa Gateway
Binibini 9, Graciel
magkaroon sila ng
Vistura, a
fashion show.
multifaceted professional excelling as a teacher, model, event sales, and
Sa kabila
beauty.
nito, tuloy-tuloy
Graciel is an avid reader of non-fiction and self-development books. She dedicates herself to advocating for early education for children without formal education, striving to give every child the foundation they deserve.
At nalumaka si Lucena City, boom, pak na pak, bet na bet, lutang na lutang ang kanyang kapalitan. Ating panoorin ang kanyang
Binibini 9,
performance.
Lucena City.
May pagdalawa pa ang word. So, ang ganda ng kanyang sexy body, talagang gulat na gulat ang pageant fans. At noong nakaraang June 11 naman, nagkaroon naman ng preliminaries evening gown competition.
This 24-year-old
At
Filipino
ganda talaga ng ating
Binibini Channel.
Pilipinas. At sumunod na ang National Costume Competition at syempre, hindi rin na patatalbog ang kanyang kasuotan. Ipinakita na sumisimbolo sa produktong gawa ng mga Lucenasi. Ito ay ang
vibrancy of public
at
spaces,
ako nga ay
as well as the
tuwa na si Miss
economy.
Mistura ay
Yet, they are
bring
subjected to
Lucena's
indiscriminate
heritage food
purges from
product which is
sidewalks
tinapa.
and other
So
contested
ang kasuotan niya
territories,
diyan ay
which they
isang
occupy for lack of provision of
native
spaces in
na
which they
naglalako,
can do
maglalako
business.
na
Thus, the
may
birth
tinda,
of
may
walking vendors and
sulong-sulong
peddlers,
siya,
or the
may
so-called
bit-bit-bit na mga
maglalako.
tinapa.
Lucena
Yan
City
yung
is known
food
for
product
small
na
vendors meeting
pride ng
villages and
Lucena
towns,
City.
selling
Tinapa
their
is really
products.
Lucena's
As a
pride
proud
product.
representative of the city,
So, yan.
Binibini 9 plays
So
the
yun
role
ang mga
of a
kamabuhay
vendor
Philippines sa
selling tinapa,
topic natin
which
ngayon.
is the
At kung
primary
hindi ka pa
delicacy
nagsusubscribe,
of
ay
the city.
huwag kakalimutan.
The costume is a
Click ang subscribe
combination of
button
modern textiles
at,
and colorful indigenous materials.
Huwag din
The current
kalimutang i-likes yung aking video
modernism
ito at
of this generation.
mag-comment para
This
tuloy-tuloy ang
costume
ating
symbolizes the
interaction
skills of heritage,
at
preservation of
makapag-comment
culture,
din ako
and
sa
embodying the
inyong
tradition that holds the heart of
mabigay ko
every
ang aking
Lucena.
opinion. Hanggang
Designer,
sa muli,
Yuli Montenegro.
paalam!